Project management is divided into 5 process groups. These are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Each process group contains different processes. For example, in planning process group, there are processes like estimate activity resources, estimate activity durations, develop schedule, and develop budget, etc. Similarly, in execution process group, there are processes like direct and manage project work, conduct procurements, etc. It is not necessary to go into detail of these processes for this course, but if you want to study these processes, you can find them in PMBOK guide. It is important to understand that all 5 process groups overlap with each other. This means that after initiation, all other process groups can start without waiting to complete any of the other process groups. For example, after sufficient planning is done, execution can be started without waiting to complete the whole planning process of the project. Now, let's discuss each of these 5 process groups. Initiation is the first process group of project management. It involves defining initial scope and objectives of the project. Financial analysis is done to determine cost and benefit of the project. Stakeholders are also identified and analyzed in this process group. Stakeholders are the people or group of people who can affect or can be affected by a project or its decisions. This effect can be positive or negative. Customer, regulatory authorities, and project team are some examples of stakeholders of a project. Major roles and responsibilities are also identified in initiation process group. And finally, a formal authorization of the project is taken. Planning is a very important process group of project management. Remember that failure to plan is planning to fail. A realistic and complete project plan is key to a successful project. Project plan provides the guidelines on how the project will be executed and also provides the baselines or targets to compare progress of the project. In project plan, work breakdown structure or WBS is developed, which indicates all the components or deliverables of the project. Activities are listed according to scope of work and their sequence is determined. Resources and duration of activities are estimated. Schedule is developed. Cost is estimated and budget is developed. And plans are also made for quality, human resources, communication, risk procurement, and stakeholders. In execution, work is performed according to plan. This process needs a lot of coordination of people and resources as lots of them are involved in execution. In this process group, data or updates are collected, which are used for monitoring and controlling of the project. In monitoring and controlling, progress of the project is analyzed on the basis of actual data, which is collected during execution. The results are compared with project plan, and if deficiencies are found, then corrective actions are suggested to bring the project back on track. Closing is the last process group of project management. There are 2 types of closures: contract closure and project closure. Contract closure means all contracts of the project are closed. For example, procurement contracts. Project or administrative closure means each contract is closed and all deliverables of the projects are verified, delivered, and accepted by the client or customer, and all issues are resolved. It is important to understand that contract closure doesn't mean that project is completed successfully. For example, contract can be closed during a project due to performance issues or for any other reason. Primavera P6 is a software of project management. It's not a software of only planning. Primavera P6 deals with all of these 5 process groups. This means that you can define a project, its objectives, and any other project-related information in Primavera P6. You can plan and manage scope, time, cost, human resources, procurements, and risk. You can record actual data and then you can monitor and control projects' progress. And you can also record, manage, and track closing parameters and closing information of a project. So that's how Primavera P6 deals with all of these 5 process groups of project management. Well, that's all from this lecture. Now, let's move on to our next lecture.